Hey guys, welcome to Digit. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the Tribit Stormbox portable wireless speaker. So let's look at the box and see what we can find out about the speaker. So the first thing we see here is that we can experience the Tribit 360-degree sound. So we're assuming this is a 360-degree speaker. Now let's look at the box and see what else we have here. You can see that we have an IPX7 water resistance rating. You have a speakerphone on the speaker so you can take calls via the speaker. You also have XBass, which we're assuming means extra bass. You have 20 hours of wireless playback time, which is pretty good for a speaker this size, and you have superior sound. At the back here, we don't really have a lot of information. So now let's just open the box and see what we have inside. So the first thing we have right here is a welcome note. Then we have the speaker in this packaging. Let's look at the other things we have inside. So the first thing we can see is a user manual. It has some of the specifications. We can see that it comes with Bluetooth version 4.2. It has two 45mm drivers and two passive radiators. It has an output power of 2 into 12 volt. It has an output power of 2 into 12 watts. And it has a frequency response of 70 Hz to 20 kHz. It also comes with a music playback time of 20 hours. You can see you have a lot of instructions here on how to use the speaker. So let's set this aside. The next thing that we have in here is a thank you note from the brand. Here you can see you have a charging cable. This is a USB type A to micro USB charging cable, and it has a pretty decent length, as you can see. Let's unfold this and check how long it is. There you go. You see it has a pretty decent length. Let's keep this aside. And now let's get to the speaker itself. There we go. Okay, the first thing you can see is that it has this black color with a fabric texture which feels really good in the hand. As you can see, it has these large volume buttons and a middle button right here, which is a circle. This should be the multifunction button in the middle. It also has the Tribit logo at the bottom. You also have this rubber strap so that you can easily carry it around. At the back here, you have the power button right here and 4 LED indicator lights to show you battery life. You also have the Bluetooth pairing button and the XBass button, which probably increases the bass response when you press it. Here under the flap you have the Aux port as well as the micro USB charging port. So that's about it for the unboxing of the Tribit speaker. Thank you so much for watching this video.